January 7 onwards, pag magpakabit kayo ng Profender Queen Series suspension, we're gonna give away the Autobot Off-Road Nueva Ecija t-shirt.
I got paper in this duffel, you got pilots, I can tell. Hope my coffin coat stuff with dope and double C Chanel. I got 7-figure sale, you got tied up, then you fail. I polish that your mother wear on lunch, so yeah, let's bet on bread.
Can I stand a motherfucker running up on me? I get it quickly, we setting so my family.
Doom shot killer standing on the silly, set your heart. Bullets like a bird, they flying through your fucking shirt.
Alright, so good afternoon everyone. So today, we are starting a new episode dito na nire-release natin sa Autobot Off-Road Nueva Ecija page, which is the Product Knowledge 101. Para lang at least yung mga customers natin, yung mga clients natin, they are also informed or they are also knowledgeable on the parts or on the pyesa na ino-offer natin sa kanila and possibly na i-install natin sa mga unit nila. So, for our first episode, we are showcasing to you the Profender brand. Yung nasa harap ko is the Profender Queen Series suspension together with the other Profender parts, which is the upper control arm, the stabilizer link, the lift block for certain applications ng mga kotse, and also there is Profender Add a Leaf para sa mga naka-pick up dyan. So this is the Profender Queen Series. Ito yung pangharap and ito yung panlikod. So pag sa mga pick up, what you're gonna get is 2 pirasong pangharap and 2 pirasong panglikod na shocks. And if you wanted lifted, syempre dadagdagan natin siya ng Add a Leaf for most of the pickups. Pero for the next gen Ranger, we're gonna install the lift block. The good thing about Profender Queen Series is this is a rebuildable suspension, which means, di ba mga boss, yung mga stock suspension ng mga kotse natin or other aftermarket shock absorbers, in time, kakagamit natin due to wear and tear, nagkakaroon sila ng leaks. And most of the shock absorbers, pag nagkaroon to ng leak, ang nangyayari is tapunan natin. Kailangan mo bumili ng bago, but not with Profender. Kasi nga, this is rebuildable, tunable, and serviceable. Meron tayong Profender Queen Series, meron tayong Profender Tune Series, then previously meron tayong mga Profender 8-way, yan. Those are the lines. So ito yung pangharap na suspension. This is 16-way adjustable. For the front, it's 16-way adjustable, and for the rear, it's 8-way adjustable. The good thing about it, there is 16 ways or 16 clicks na pwede mong i-customize based sa preference mo or based sa driving style mo. The meaning of a progressive spring is it adapts, no? Sa small bumps, mas na-tolerate niya, iba yung feel niya, and sa larger bumps, iba rin yung feel niya. So progressive, para siyang nag-e-evolve yung ride, no? Hindi siya, kung pare-parehas kasi yan, whether maliit or whether malaki yung bump, ganun na yung ride niya. Ito hindi. Iba yung ride niya sa small bumps and iba yung ride niya sa big bumps. The adjustable stabilizer link. Sabihin nyo, bakit kailangan ng adjustable? Kasi nga, di ba mga boss, pag nag-lift tayo, so tataas yung kotse. If you're gonna use the stock stabilizer link, meron lang siyang certain length. So yung certain length na yon, meaning, pag naka-lift na yung kotse, maghahabol tong mga links niya. Yan, nagagalaw yan. Pag luma na yan, magagalaw yan. Yan, magiging ganyan siya. Yan, diba? Magiging ganyan siya. Pero, if it is adjustable, kapag nakaganyan boss zoom motel. Pag mga nakaganyan, madali yung wear and tear ng stabilizer link nyo. Kasi tingnan nyo, sa rubber pa lang. Diba? Laging naka-tension ka agad, may stress ka agad sa mga links ng kotse. So, ang gagawin natin is, yan pag naka-lift na tayo, i-adjust natin tong adjustable stabilizer link ni Profender na murang-mura lang para instead na nakaganon siya, magiging ganyan na siya. Yan. So, mas maganda yung ride pag hindi stressed or walang tension yung suspension ng kotse. So, this is the Profender upper control arm. Ang construction nito, this is CAD design siya. CAD design, MIG welded, gamit syempre yung mga state-of-the-art na robots ni Profender. Chromoly tube, magaan. Kita nyo naman, di naman ako nahihirapan siya buhatin. And this is also serviceable. Available kay Profender yung mga ball joint, yung mga bushings na yan, box-plated design. Diba? Pogi. Papakita ko sa inyo on how to operate yung damping, yung adjustment ng damping. So, as we said, this is 16-way adjustable. So, to the left, magiging malambot. Mararamdaman nyo, nagkiklik yan. And to the right, magiging mas matigas. If you have a pickup and you want to install a Profender Queen Series suspension, the SRP of this one is 72,000. Kapag SUV naman and Nissan Navara, kasi syempre spring yung likod nun, it starts at 82,000. The upper control arm, 25,500, and for the stabilizer link, 6,500. Syempre lahat ng presyo natin is SRP. Syempre lahat ng pupunta dito sa Autobot Off-Road Nueva Ecija and sa Autobot Off-Road Main, we will give you special promotions, special packages, lalo na kapag medyo magiging build yan. Syempre, you can expect the Autobot quality and Autobot craftsmanship na binibida natin. And syempre, huwag natin kalimutan our excellent customer service and after sales. So, pag kinabit natin to, kasama na yung camber alignment, libre na yan. If magpapamags and tires kayo, syempre, if ever man naka-offset yung mga mags ninyo, sama na rin natin yung mga BMC na yan, mga boss. Libre na natin. Sa lahat na magpapakabit ng Profender Queen Series, starting today, January 7 onwards, pag magpakabit kayo ng Profender Queen Series suspension, we're gonna give away the Autobot Off-Road Nueva Ecija t-shirt. Tel, pakita mo yung nakasulat sa likod. Gusto ko ikaw magbasa.
Autobot Off-Road PH. Exclusive shirt release for Autobot Off-Road San Leonardo, Nueva Ecija. Crafted for durability and comfort, this shirt is made for those who live the off-road lifestyle.
Yon, o diba? Ano yun? Durability and comfort. Any questions, just comment down below. You can call me in my number 0915-973-4032, and you can message us in our Facebook page, Autobot Off-Road Nueva Ecija. Syempre, Instagram meron din tayo, TikTok meron din tayo. You can comment there, and syempre, you can inquire. Pwede natin pag-usapan yung magiging build, yung magiging package ninyo. We're gonna give you massive discounts when gagawin nating mga full build yung mga kotse nyo, mga boss. Again, Autobot Off-Road Nueva Ecija, we are open from Monday till Sunday, 9 a.m. till 6 p.m. So, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on our episode 2 of Product Knowledge 101. Sana may mga natutunan kayo, boss. Sana hindi mas naging magulo. Pero I hope you enjoyed our video. I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you. Always remember, Autobot strong, fueled by God.